Hi, I'm Dr. Anissa Holmes, the founder of Delivering Well Education, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create money babies for your dental practice using the wealth triangle. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of future episodes. As we start looking at how can we grow our practice, how can we bring in more revenue, how can we bring in more profits, what I often tell doctors is that we are actually in a very unique position where we can actually create money babies for our practices, for our families, for our teams, and for our future generations. Now, you might be asking me, what does that mean? One of the things that I talk about on strategy calls with practice owners as we're building their circle of focus is how can we create profit pockets? How can we have every single quarter an ability to be able to pull profits out of your practice to be able to put them into other investments that will be able to create money babies, being able to allow us to be able to get passive income from other sources, have increased tax benefits, and ultimately build our wealth strategy. Now, you might be asking me, what does that mean? This means something like being very intentional, for example, in Q1 to do more of what you really love to do, what you're really good at, but having focus. Perhaps it's going to be sleep. Perhaps it's going to be Invisalign. And you make a decision if you're going to focus on Invisalign to do an Invisalign day, an Invisalign flash sale. We've actually helped lots of practice owners to be able to have a $100,000 day by creating that focus. Again, it could be this quarter we're going to focus on doing a certain amount of sleep cases more than what we've done in the past. Now, once you create that focus and you're using tools like whiteboards to hold yourself accountable, you're focusing on your verbal skills, you're focusing on your marketing, once that profit pocket comes, you can do a few things. Number one, you can celebrate and reward your team because you have more profits and you work together. You can also take those profits and you can invest in other income sources. One of my favorite is actually pulling money out and putting them into cash value policies that will grow tax-free forever, allowing you to put money in, borrow back out, and put that money into other investments such as multifamily real estate. Now, we'll talk about multifamily real estate on a future episode, but the benefits there are that you're able to put money in and get a significant return, be able to get huge tax benefits, as well as to be able to get passive income from the rental. And so as associates come to me and they say, should I own my practice? Why should I own my practice? I always say that there's power in owning your business. There's no cap on how much you can earn. You can use your creativity and create strategies and systems to be able to bring profits out of your practice. And once you do, you can put them into the wealth triangle. Thanks so much for listening to another episode of Delivering Well Education. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode.